Hey, this is Ken from Coffee Crafters, and we thought we'd do a quick video on how to add switch covers to an Artisan 2.5, the Artisan 6B, C, and M, and the early model Artisan 9. So any of the roasters that did not come with plastic switch covers. One of the notes to make it easier, and this was a little bit of an engineering change, in the original lid on those roasters that didn't have the switch covers, they were 125 thousandths thick, an eighth of an inch. Technically, the switch covers are supposed to fit on something with 125 thousandths, but the problem was the powder coat would pool around the openings when they were being powder coated, and it would throw it out of tolerance, and the switches would keep popping out, and then people would take them off. And I'm going to show you a little trick to, and Nico, I'll have you come in closer, and I'm not actually going to grind on this. So what we did in the later models is this one is 100 thousandths thick, and the only reason we reduced the thickness was so that the switch covers would fit. If you have one of the early models, on the back side, you can take a square file and just file it down right here underneath the side there and there, and it doesn't take very much. If you take off 20 thousandths on each side, then that switch will go right into place. So I got a couple switch covers here. This is actually an Artisan XE, but it's the same process as if you have a roaster without these switch covers. You don't have to do anything except for the 2.5, raise the lid. There's 4 screws on the lid. And on the Artisan 6s, remove the front panel. When you do that, you can reach right in here on the underneath side. And if we look at a switch here, can you get up close here and Nick, you can see that? There's a little clip on each side of that switch. So when I reach in there, I'm pushing those in just like that, and that allows the switch to release. So I release this switch, and Anik, come in here close. So when we put those in, I got the switch up in the air. We'll put that right over the top of it. And one of the main things you want to be careful of when you put the switches on is we get it locked over the end. If I can get this to go on straight. There we go. And then squeeze it on the side, because that's the part that will make it come unlocked. So that's squeezed down tight. And then all we do is put our finger like that and pop it right into place. So we'll do that on the other side. Don't have to take any wires off. Put it on the top and bottom, so all 4 corners are hooked. Squeeze the side down like that, and then pop it into place. And that's how you put the switch covers on. If you have a roaster that came with switch covers and the switch covers came off, put them back on, because one of the things that happened in this switch is between this red rocker and the black housing, dust will get down in there and it will build up until it breaks contact and the switch will fail. So if they come off, make sure to put them back on, and if you don't, at some point, it's not a matter of if, it's when, that switch will fail. So anyway, that's it. Thanks.